Greetings guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will be looking at how you can key inside Adobe Premiere Pro in After Effects. Let's start by opening Adobe Premiere Pro. Drag your footage into your timeline. Now search for the Effect Color key in the Effects tab and drag it onto your footage. In the Effects Control panel, you will now see a pipette. Use it to click on the color you want to key out. Play with the tolerance until you have keyed out the background color as good as possible. A much cleaner and also free alternative solution is offered using After Effects. Drag your footage into the timeline and search for the effect called Keylight. Drag it onto your footage and use the pipette to select the color you want to key. It may already look very good. If you still see artifacts, set the view from Final Result to Screen Matte. Everything that is black is not visible, and everything that is white is visible. Now carefully play around with the screen gain and screen balance sliders until you can no longer see any artifacts. Under the Screen Matte tab, you can use the Clip White slider to improve the keying even more. You can switch the view back. When recording with shaders, you can often see a colored spill at the edge of your object. To remove this, use the Spill Suppressor effect and select the color you want to remove. This looks really good now. An additional tip from us is the effect Matte Chalker. You can key the background directly in Minecraft, but we'll get into that in another future video. And that's it. We're done. We wish you a lot of fun making creative videos with the Blockbuster mods. See you next time.